Everyone, what if I told you that one food could cleanse your blood vessels, enhance brain function, and keep your skin youthful? By simply consuming this food regularly, you can improve heart health, boost immunity, and slow down aging. But most people think of this as just another cooking oil. However, if you truly understand its benefits, your health can change dramatically. This superfood is one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3, helping to protect your heart, brain, and overall well-being. Yet, many of us overlook its true potential. Starting today, you need to see this differently. That food is perilla oil. Perilla oil? Isn't that just for seasoning vegetables? If that's what you're thinking, you have no idea how powerful perilla oil really is. Perilla oil is not just another cooking ingredient, it is one of the healthiest natural oils for your body. Let's explore the incredible benefits of perilla oil and the best ways to consume it for maximum health benefits. The amazing health benefits of perilla oil. First, perilla oil cleanses blood vessels and protects the heart. Perilla oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce bad cholesterol, stabilize blood pressure, and keep blood vessels clear. Studies show that people who consume omega-3 regularly have a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. If you're concerned about high blood pressure or cardiovascular health, perilla oil is essential. Additionally, perilla oil improves blood circulation and helps prevent blood clots, making it a great natural protector for your heart. Second, perilla oil enhances brain function and improves memory. The omega-3 in perilla oil supports brain cell function and enhances neural communication, making it essential for focus, memory, and cognitive performance. Research shows that a deficiency in omega-3 can increase the risk of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. For this reason, students, professionals, and older adults should regularly consume perilla oil for better brain health. Third, perilla oil keeps skin hydrated and slows aging. Perilla oil is packed with vitamin E and antioxidants, which help maintain skin moisture, improve elasticity, and slow down the aging process. Regular consumption of perilla oil can help keep your skin smooth and youthful, while protecting it from UV damage. If you want glowing and healthy skin, perilla oil is a must-have in your diet. How should you eat perilla oil for maximum benefits? Perilla oil is incredibly versatile, but some methods help you absorb its nutrients more effectively. Perilla oil on an empty stomach. Taking 1 spoonful of perilla oil on an empty stomach in the morning is one of the easiest ways to support heart health and brain function. If the taste is too strong, mix it with warm water or soy milk for a smoother intake. Perilla oil in vegetable side dishes. Perilla oil is most effective when consumed raw, without heating. Using it in vegetable side dishes like spinach, bean sprouts, or mushrooms helps you absorb healthy fats while enhancing the natural flavors of your food. This is a great way to increase your omega-3 intake while enjoying delicious, nutritious meals.
Perilla oil in bibimbap.
Drizzling perilla oil over bibimbap, Korean mixed rice with vegetables, adds a rich, nutty flavor while providing all the health benefits of omega-3. Pairing perilla oil with fresh vegetables creates a perfectly balanced and highly nutritious meal. It's time to see perilla oil differently. Now, you know perilla oil is not just another cooking oil. Perilla oil supports heart health, enhances brain function, and protects skin from aging. It is one of the most powerful natural oils you can add to your diet. This is not just another seasoning, it's a natural superfood that can transform your health. And simply consuming perilla oil daily can make a huge difference in your overall well-being. Starting today, make perilla oil a part of your meals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more amazing health tips and delicious recipes in the next video. See you soon!